I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You join the call, now act. First, open Google Meet in your browser and join the meeting. Make sure your window is active, then press F11 for full screen to remove distractions. Next, open the three-dot menu and choose Change Layout so you can control how many tiles appear. If you need everything larger instantly, use Ctrl++ to zoom the browser window. This enlarges video tiles and shared screens without changing others' views. Once done, you'll see clearer content and bigger faces. Now refine what's bigger and why. If one person or a slide matters, right-click their tile and select Pin or use Spotlight from the host controls. This forces that feed to dominate your view. To reduce clutter, hide your self view. It frees tile space so others appear larger. For finer control, adjust your laptop's display scaling in Settings or use Chrome's zoom level in the address bar. That changes pixel size without affecting meeting layout. Make sure to test while someone shares a screen. To finish, combine actions. Set F11 full screen, use Ctrl++ to zoom, then pin or spotlight the needed tile. This gives the largest, focused view. When you're done, press ESC or F11 to return to normal. If things go wrong, refresh the Meet tab or leave and rejoin. That often restores proper sizing. If video becomes pixelated after zooming, lower the incoming resolution in Meet settings or under your system display scaling to improve clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.